Hello, good afternoon. Alexandra here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to block people from trolling on your Facebook page. I've noticed that a lot of people have been complaining about that if let's say they're running an ad or they have a business page, they're running a business too, and there's a lot of people that's coming on that page leaving negative comment which is affecting their business. I'm gonna teach you in this video how to block those people from even leaving a comment or even interacting on your page forever. And if you're watching this video on Facebook or YouTube, welcome. Thank you for taking the time and watching this video. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my training. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like, comment, and if you find any value, feel free to share it with your team or anybody that you think might need this. And I appreciate you. Let's get started right away. The first thing that you will need to do for this method to work, you will need to have a Facebook page. Like I'm gonna for the sake of this video, I already went to my Facebook page to make it a little quicker. So once you go to your Facebook page, it's kind of like an easy process. It's like a self-explanatory. It's gonna be really quick. But once you go to your Facebook page, you will go to, let me zoom in the screen right quick so you can see exactly what I'm doing step by step. Perfect. It should be big enough for you guys to see. Okay, once you go to your Facebook page, it should looks like something like this. You can even do most of the time it works better. You will need a computer or a laptop or a tablet to do this process. I'm not sure, you haven't tried it on my phone yet. If I do find a way to do it on my phone, I will do a video about that to show you how to do it on your phone. What step I'm showing right now is mostly work on a computer or a laptop. So once you go to your Facebook page, you go at the top of the screen at the bottom of the notification icon, it will say setting. Once you click on setting, it will give you the option of doing a lot of stuff to your page that gonna help you run it easier. So all the list of things that you can do will appear right here. Give it one second. See, you got like general setting, and please excuse the background. As you guys know, I'm a mom of 3, so my lives or my actual recording never quiet because school is over right now. They're all home, so I cannot put a tape on their mouth or anything like that. So they're all around running around. So it's to show you I'm a real person. I'm not trying to be scripted or add anything. It just I was trying to do this video live, but my internet wouldn't let me. So I'm like, okay, let me just do a recording of it. As long as I'm giving you guys value, that's all that matters. Okay, once you get to the setting page, it will show you general messaging, edit page, it's gonna show you everything that you can do with this page. But for the sake of this video, we're going to click on general setting because that's where everything is. Once you click on general setting, it will give you a list of options of stuff that you can do on your page as well. And because I already said everything on my page, I will not touch on those stuff right here. It show you like how your page publish, like who can publish on your page. You can also allow people to post on your page if you want to. If you don't, you just click on edit and turn that action off, so only you can post on your page, which I encourage because you don't want people to keep posting anything on your page without your consent. Or if you allow people to post on your page, you can put it as a way like you have to review the content first. You can always do that. The option is always there once you click edit. And all those options right here, you have ability to edit them to whatever that you want with them. You can also stop people for certain countries from coming to your page. It's like me personally, I'm having issues with people like overseas, let's say Afghanistan, those kind of people. They always been leaving like like crazy pictures or stuff like that on my page. So what I did, I go to country restriction. and kind of block those, like, people on my page. You can also do that. Or if you run a business that actually dealing with a certain type of people, let's say a certain location, let's say US only, you can put in consideration only allow US only people to be on your page, and you can like restrict the age of the people that are on your page as well. You can start from 18 years old that only like can see your page or stuff like that. But for the sake of this video, that's where, like, the easy part is. That's why you're gonna stop blocking people from commenting nasty stuff on your page. Can you guys be quiet, please? Thank you. That's when you're gonna stop people from commenting nasty stuff on your page. And once you click on page moderation, you will click on edit, and you will put like a list of words that you don't want to appear on your page. Because me, I have a couple of them, like, let's say crap, idiot, like this is a joke, scam, pyramid scheme, lazy, ugly, like all the nasty stuff that you don't want to hear, that you feel like that you don't want your audience to see. There's no limit of the amount of words that you can put, and on that part they don't block the word as well. You don't have to put the asterisk when you're actually putting the word, because you want that word to be blocked as the way the person gonna write it. So any word that you feel that you don't want to hear, you don't want to see, put it in the list. So as soon somebody come on your page, or if you're running an ad, someone come and try to post those stuff on your page or your ad, you won't even go through. It will actually block the person for you, and that's what you're looking for. And also set your profanity filter as strong, so any profanity is not allowed on your page, because you're running a business. You don't have profanity for all that type of nonsense. So set your profanity as strong, and so you can block any craziness from coming on your page. Like, we're going to do a recap. Like I said, you go to your Facebook page. This method work on your Facebook page only. You go on your Facebook page, you go on setting, and go to general setting. On the general, there's going to be a list of things that you can do to block people from trolling on your page. You will go to you go do the country restriction first. If you feel like you have issues with people overseas or anybody in a certain location on the world, you can put those kind of country in there as well. And on the next thing you can do to block the words on your page or your Facebook ad, sweetie, stop. You will go to page moderation, go on the side, you will say edit, and you put the list. Like, you can Google, there's a lot of you can Google list of words, nasty word, list of profanity words, and you can put all those words in there. There's no limit. And there's people even that's gonna ask you if you're single or you married. If you don't want to deal with those type of words as well, you can put them as well in the list. That you don't have to just stick to profanity. And if you're the type of person that don't like those type of words, you just put it in there and set your profanity filter as strong, so nobody can come and throw nasty stuff on your page, not send you nasty pics or stuff like that. All those stuff will be blocked. Oh, I have a training coming on. I'm missing my training, so I will cut this video short. So because the team is doing the training, and I'm part of the team I have to run. So I hope I give you some great value in this video. If I did, feel free to like, share, and comment. If you're watching on YouTube, stop. And if you're watching on Facebook, and if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click see first. And also, as you guys know, I also provide people a way to start their own business with $50 or less, because I try not to break the bank, because I know how it is. People might not be able to afford the high ticket prices and stuff like that. I understand that. So that's why I'm into that niche, so to get the people that can actually afford some type of stuff. So if you want to start your own business with $50 and you have $50 or less, I have great opportunities for you that can help you make some money, like from home on your spare time, without having a boss or watching you around. You can make an extra, I don't even try to make it crazy. If you just looking to make an extra $300, $500, even $1,000, extra $1,000 every week from your smartphone, feel free to message me me, and or I will put the link to the, if you're watching on YouTube, I will put the link to those opportunities as well down in the description below, or just comment below and let me know that you're ready to get started to work, and I will message me directly on Facebook. I will put my information down there. Message me directly on Facebook and let me know that you're ready, and we will talk about it to see which one of my opportunities is best for you. And on that note, I won't keep you long, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.